So, our bedroom, it is dirty. But this little man has two beds. The other one must be downstairs, but he's got that one, and he's got one that's downstairs. And do you know where he likes to sleep? He likes to sleep right in underneath here. For some god awful reason, I have no idea. So most people actually fear that they have something under their bed, but we actually do have something under the bed that will attack you once you put your feet down. Isn't that right, wee man? Isn't that right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're all pleased now. Say hello to camera. Say hello to camera. Yeah. Boy, you gonna bite me again? Is that better?